guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today is going to be the long-awaited review on Dose of Colors, collaboration with Katy and Desi, of course. I had to go ahead and purchase the bundle, of course. So let me show you guys how it looks. This is how it came. Just came in the same packaging that it did last year. The only thing that they changed, well, of course they changed the packaging, but they added stickers. And they're so cute. I love them. So this is more of a in-depth review since I have already tested many of the products out and I can give you my unbiased opinion, so it's not a first impression. It's my full review and what I like and what I don't like. Let's get started with the packaging. This is how it looks. It is like a rose gold type of packaging. And this is the Francation palette. And this is what the actual palette looks like. They did go ahead and change the actual packaging color. Even though it is that glittery shifting between like pinks and greens. They did change it from last year. This is darker. Last year's is lighter. This is what the one from last year looks like, and this is the new one. You can see the change in color. This retails for $55, the palette. Now the whole bundle, which I did go ahead and purchase myself, it retails for $213, and this one, the eyeshadow palette, like I just mentioned, is $55. And this is what it looks like. It is very, very beautiful. We have the shade Basic, Sheens, Necessary, Dirty Money, A Moment, Try Me, Just a Kiss, Girl Bye, Churro, and Game Over. So my honest opinion on this palette is I love it. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I would definitely recommend this for sure for you guys to go ahead and pick this up at your local Ulta if they still have it available, or online at Dose of Colors. There's not a lot of kickback from this palette. The eyeshadows are very easy to blend, and what is so amazing about the glittery shades, they have a little bit of fallout but nothing crazy, but when you blend them together, it's like they melt into like one another, so they don't sit on top of each other, but rather they melt and make like this beautiful transition color. So let's say you're going from A Moment to Game Over, between these two, it'll create like its own shade, and it's so beautiful. So I'll go ahead and start swatching these for you. This is Basic, which is like the name implies, it's a basic color. Nothing crazy, just to set your eye. And then this is Sheens, and this is just one swatch, and they swatch beautiful. This is Necessary. This one could have improved the formula, but it's nothing bad. And then we have Dirty Money, which is a very beautiful like army green with like a shift of gold in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then we have A Moment, which is very beautiful. It has a shift of blue and then some lighting. So let me see if I can make it like a purple. I promise you, it's a very, very beautiful. And then we have Try Me, which is a very beautiful like cranberry color. Coppery, cranberry, rose gold color. It is what I'm wearing right here. It's so beautiful. And then Just a Kiss. It's right here. It's right here. This is Just a Kiss. You can't really see it, but I have it also on the eyes, and this one I have to say is one of the most unique eyeshadow colors slash glitters that I have ever encountered. It's very beautiful. It really is, and the camera isn't doing it justice, but it's such a beautiful color. This is Girl Bye. I'm gonna swatch Girl Bye, which is more of a like deep mauve color. Girl Bye. Right there. And then we have Churro, which is just like your cool tone brown. Right here. and then Game Over, which it's very beautiful. It has like flecks of blue and silver in there. It's a very beautiful eyeshadow as well. Now I would definitely recommend this eyeshadow palette for you guys. Like, it's so beautiful. I really do love it. I would recommend it. The formula, A1. I love everything about it. It's easy to blend. There's no fallout. The only one that truly has fallout are these two, but that's expected with any glittery type of eyeshadow. It doesn't knock points on my end. I really love that eyeshadow palette, and it's so amazing. I always do get compliments from them, especially when I'm wearing a Kiss. That shade is beautiful because it's not gold, it's not bronze, it has like a champagne-y undercolor, but it's so beautiful. So one thing about the eyeshadows that I definitely forgot to mention is they don't stain the eyes, which is wonderful. They don't stain the eyes. Now let's talk about the new highlight, which is Chasing the Sun, which is what I'm wearing right now. It is such a beautiful highlight, especially if you're like my skin tone. It just looks so beautiful. It looks wet and it looks like it matches my own skin, like a glow from within, and I love that. So I definitely would recommend this highlight if you're more towards my skin tone or even a deeper complexion. This one retails for $27, so I would definitely get this one, and this is what it looks swatched. So it definitely is a darker shade, but it's so beautiful. And they definitely last on the face for a very long time. And of course, they brought everyone's favorite again, which is Fuego. So if you missed it out last year on it, they did go ahead and bring it back. But I did see that on Dose of Color's website, they're already sold out. So you can always try your local Ulta. And then this is Fuego, which is a little bit lighter. Here's Fuego, and then here's Chasing the Sun, and also retails for $27. So I would definitely pick the highlighters up because they are a wet looking, sickening. Stole that from Jeffree Star highlight, and I really love it, and it makes me feel like, girl, yes, I got money. They did go ahead and come out with 2 new liquid lipsticks. Now they're not matte, it is a satin formula. So this is what they look like. And I'm gonna swatch for you guys a Mauve Story and my main. Now the formula is definitely different on these. They feel not as drying as Savage or Savage and Hot Fire. They definitely feel better on the lips. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch my main, which is like a dark brown nudie shade, and that is what I'm wearing today with Spice by MAC. So as you guys can see, it is more of a nudie pink brown color, which I do love, and I love the formula. So if you're my skin color, this will look great on you. Now, one that I was really excited but I did not like because it's too light on my skin tone is a Mauve Story. A Mauve Story, which is, as you can see, it's lighter pink. I was really excited for that one. However, it's too pink and it just makes me look bad. It doesn't make me look popping. My lips look like this one. You guys can see they look plumpy, okay, or whatever. So I really don't like a Mauve Story, and I don't recommend it to you unless you're a lighter complexion than deep medium tan. Other than that, yeah, I'm sure it would look beautiful on lighter skin tones. The lipsticks, the formula stayed the same from last year, and we have Aftermath and Hey Girl. So let's talk about my favorite one, which is Aftermath. It is like a brown rustic nudie type of color. It's deep. It's great for the fall. I really love this one. No complaints. It would look great on any skin tone, especially I think especially if you're on the darker complexion rather than the lighter, it won't look as good on you. That's what I'm trying to say, if you're a lighter complexion. And then Hey Girl, which just looks like this. As you guys can see, it is almost like Mauve Story light, but this one is actually lighter than Mauve Story. I don't really like this one just because it makes me look like I have those type of lips. They don't make them look juicy or whatever. I don't really like that color, and I don't think it makes it doesn't complement my skin tone. So that's what I have to say about those. So of course they brought Over the Top, and they brought the Most, which it is the most. Now Over the Top, I don't know what they did about the formula, but it does feel a little bit more gritty than last year's, and I even tested it out because I still have last year's, and it definitely feels more gritty on the lips. I mean, it still has the same effect, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe they didn't use the correct glitter, but it definitely feels much different. Now the Most, it's a very beautiful lip gloss. It has like purpley flecks in it, and that is what I'm wearing on the lips to make it pop. I really like this one. The glitter is finally milled on this one. I don't feel the glitters like the Most. And let me even swatch the Most for you. Over the Top and then the Most. So you can see it's more gold. The other one's more of a frosty color. I really would say to pick up, I would say pick up both, even though it does feel a little bit more grimy on the lips. I would still pick it up because it still makes your lips look popping or whatever. You're still gonna look cute. So final verdict, I really love the collection minus two lipsticks. So I'll give the collection an overall 8 out of 10, but the eyeshadow, that's a solid 10 because it is so beautiful. And I definitely, if you guys don't want to pick up anything from this collection, I would say don't miss out on that eyeshadow because it is very beautiful. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always I hope you guys had a great day today, and I'll see you guys on the next time. Go add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, give this video a like, comment down below, and I'll see you until next time. Bye.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly.